Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, step-by-step process on how to remove the old doorknob of our door and install a brand new Ace Hardware exterior doorknob. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, at the door now, and again, this is an interior door. However, I went ahead and I bought the entry door because this locking mechanism inside the door is much more advanced than an interior door handle that has a lock, and I will show you what I'm talking about when it comes time to compare the keys. With the door open, you are going to remove the lower screw here, the upper screw. It looks like the previous owner or whoever installed this damaged not only the door but stripped both of the screws. Be very careful if yours looks like that. We don't want to ruin it anymore. Our goal is to get that off. And then on the back side, you've got 2 Phillips screws. Go ahead and remove those. After those screws are removed, I would recommend using both hands, one on one knob and the second hand on the outer knob, and just pulling them apart. And as you can see, these screws are pretty long. And as you remove them, be very careful. Again, I've got only one hand because I'm using the other hand for the camera. And just carefully remove both sides of the doorknob. There's the internal mechanism, as you can see. Set that down, and this internal portion slides right out. Now, be advised, this usually has grease on it. I would not set this on your carpet. Make sure you set this in a safe location, maybe on a paper towel that you will throw away after the project. Now it's time to open the brand new doorknob. At this point, I have everything removed from the packaging. This is your hardware screws that go on the face portion of your latch as well as the inner portion of your knob. I'll open those here shortly. You get 2 keys, your latch, both door handles, and a strike plate. Now, we already have a strike plate installed on our trim, and you probably do too. However, if you buy a doorknob set that has a latch that is a significant difference in size, you may need to remove your current strike plate and install the new one. At the strike plate now, and same exact size, so we're just going to keep the old one installed. Back at the door, and all we're going to do is reverse the steps. Grab your latch, make sure the spring-loaded latch is installed and positioned properly, and carefully install it and make it flush with that little insert. From there, grab your Phillips screws and secure this. After securing the screws, grab your exterior portion of your knob that has the key insert, and the center portion is a square shape. It's got to fit through that square there. And as you can see, the square portion in the center and the 2 circular portions slide right through those slots. Next, grab your interior portion of your door, align it properly, and we will secure this to the internal portion there with those Phillips screws. Making progress. I got both left and right Phillips screws threaded in just slightly. Here's what I recommend, just so you can see where you're inserting the screw and not cross-threading it, is push the exterior portion of the knob all the way in and pull this knob out slightly, and you'll get a much better picture of those threaded inserts. After securing both of those screws, you're basically done, and it's in the unlock position now. And I will go ahead and lock it. And that is locked. Let's go ahead and close the door, make sure it latches. And that is perfect. From here, I'm going to use one of the keys. I'm actually going to test both of them. And that opens. I'll go ahead and lock it. And I'll use the other key. Perfect. So I mentioned earlier the keys and why I went with the entry door lock as opposed to the interior door lock. I'll go grab an interior door lock key and I'll show you the difference. All right, on the bottom is an interior door lock key, and as you can see, there's not much to it. What that means is the interior door lock is much more likely and easier to pick and open without a key as opposed to your exterior or entry door knob lock, which will require a much more enhanced key, as you can see here. So again, that's why I chose the entry door lock for my interior door. Hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome. Thanks for watching.